We have to be really, really careful, because what Henry is talking about is exactly the kind of thing that our legislatures, that our elected representatives need to be debating on the House and Senate floor and in state legislatures across the country. Dr. Allen's point about the fact that the Supreme Court got in front of the American people in 1973 when they imposed Roe v. Wade on us. And so all of the conflict that we're having over this very, very sensitive and complex issue flows from the judges getting in front of the American people and their elected representatives. And so what I want to throw out for all of us is we have to be really careful as we move forward in this, in the hearings and in the consideration of the Supreme Court vacancy, because we should not have a litmus test for this judge.
Yes.
We absolutely should. There are some people who are talking about saying, you know, we have to know for sure how she would rule. We don't need to know how for sure she should rule. That's a question for legislators. And we have turned our judges into super legislators, which is why we want to ask them, you know, how would you rule about this or this or this? We need to know whether or not our Supreme Court justices and all of our judges are committed to upholding the Constitution and then using their good judgment in the individual cases that are brought before them to consider the case in front of them, not to act as legislators.
Well, that's